All right, guys, I'm Rob, and we're here at Cookeville RV Marine, and behind me is the brand new 2025 20.5 No Boundaries. Let's check this thing out. So on the front cap of the Nobos, they really give themselves a meaning with the front cap, right? You get this beautiful window, you get these nice looking LED lights around the window, you get dual propane tank with electric tongue jack on this guy. This thing looks really sweet. Let's look at the camping side. On the camping side of the camper, you can see that the hot water heater is up front. You get a 6-gallon Suburban dual electric propane hot water heater with this guy. You're going to have the hood vent for the range inside. That vents out right there for us. Of course, furnace is up here. You get really nice steps in this beautiful glass door. Now, if we'll look above the door, though, you get a LED lights under your awning. You actually get a floodlight that duals as a porch light, so we can change it yellow, white. If you want that bug light, you've got it. That's really cool that Nobo does that for you. Coming on down, we have a rail here. You get a griddle with the Nobo. Plus, it'll have a little side table for you. Forest River does really cool things with stuff like that. Of course, you get a quick connect water hookup and your LP quick connect right there, conveniently located right below the grill for you, which is really nice. Now, one thing that also you're going to get on the back side of this Nobo is all of your storage. Because you don't have a front pass-through, they give you a bigger storage on the back side of this guy, and it's really conveniently located on the rear. I really like this, and of course you can see all your boxes there. That's your grill, your griddle, your tables, all your vacuum hoses. That's right, this thing has an inner vac system. We'll see that when we get inside. Of course, your quick connect for your water hose and cool stuff that's in here. You got to check this stuff out. Now let's look at the rest of it. So on the off door side of this Nobo, you can see you've got your water hookups and your black tank flush conveniently located right behind the slide on this one. Your power hookups on the back corner, as well as your cable hookup, which is really convenient. If you've ever been in a camper or owned a camper, you know how convenient it is to have your power on the back camper side of the camper, or the off door side rather of the camper. This really makes it convenient on hooking up and not having to run your power cord as far. So I do like that. Of course, we get a sewer hose bumper, and of course your hookups for your sewer hose underneath, conveniently located on this side too. Really cool camper, guys. Let's check out the back real quick. So on the back, you can see you are backup camera prepped. All right, of course, you get a full-size spare tire in case you were to need that. Hope you don't, but it is there for if you do. One thing that No Boundaries is doing is they're prepping you for the Lippert on-the-go ladder. Something that everybody's really liking is the on-the-go ladder. Telescoping ladder, you just hook it in there, pull that guy down. Makes getting on the roof of this really easy. So I like that they're prepping you for that. But let's check out what everybody's wanting to see, and that's the inside of this camper. So we're coming into the inside of this 20.5, and one thing you're going to see on the right side is you have light controls, and we're talking inside and outside light controls. That porch light, we talked about that. Down is yellow, up is white. So on that outside porch light, if you want that yellow light, you've got a rocker switch right here for it. You get your awning lights, your LEDs on the outside right there for you, and your interior lights up above us in the ceiling. Now, one thing cool about what Nobo does for you, yes, they give you a switch, and yes, it does turn on all of the lights, but look at this. So we have a push button right in the middle of that light. I can turn those LED lights on and off with a push of a button. So if you don't want them all on, guess what? You ain't got to have them all on. Now, over here, you get lots of cabinets. But before we open those, I want to show you. I talked about that inner vac system a little bit. This is it. So you have a floor sweeper. So we don't have to have the husband hold the dustpan anymore. You can sweep it right in there, all powered, vacuum hookup. You change your bags right there, all conveniently located. Really sweet deal. Fuses and breaker panel is down there as well. But look at this storage, guys. I mean, you talk about deep cabinets. We can put everything we want to take with us in this cabinet. I mean, it is huge, right? And that's one thing Nobo is going to do for you. And also, look at that soft close cabinetry. We're going to see that throughout the whole cabinet, or the whole camper, guys. We're going to see it on every one of them, and that's really sweet. Now let's look at the kitchen. So we're in the kitchen, and I showed you, or I told you outside rather, that front window was cool. So this is your front window. But one thing, looking outside is pretty cool. But if you don't want to look outside, maybe it's nighttime, we need a little more privacy, you can pull this guy down. Now look at this. They put built-in clips to hold this awning in here, or this fabric in here. So now it blocks all the light, knocks it all out. It holds it tight to the wall. Looks really good. Now look, guys, I'm a cook. I love to cook. And this kitchen, you can cook in this kitchen. One thing that's really nice is they give you a bar when you walk in. So you have bar stools to sit at, put the kids here, give them their cereal in the morning. It's a really nice kitchen. You've got lots of counter space, which any cook knows you need counter space. You got a 3-burner stovetop. Now, there's no oven in that, and that's really okay. You know why it's okay? Because they give you an air fryer, convection, microwave. Microwave, air fries, does it all. Look at this, guys. This is sweet. You can do anything and everything you want to do in this microwave air fryer. We're talking biscuits, Hot Pockets, pizzas, it don't matter. Baked potatoes, you can do it in this game. Now look at this. You got all this storage, and I really like, you got the paper towels, you got any utensils you want to hang up. This is big stuff. So any cook knows if you want to have storage, you got to take that stuff with you. You got to have a place to put it. You can in this one. Really nice. Now we're talking nice sink too. This is a farmhouse style sink. Something really nice. You get the sprayer built in. Don't mind this. It's just winterized because it is cold down here, guys. We get a sud sink. Down here. But big, deep farmhouse style sink. So we can do the washing, we can do the rinsing. It's got a vegetable cleaner and vegetable cleaner tray in it, which is big and nice for you. You get a cutting board, you get a glass cleaner, all right? Who wants to play bartender and clean their glasses like they do at the bar? Well, you can with this thing. It's really sweet sink. I really like it. And to complementary it all, you got big cabinets underneath, right? Lots of storage underneath. We can put all the cleaning supplies. We can put all the baked goods under here. We can carry it all with us all at the same time. You're going to love it, guys. So in your living room, all right, you've got these theater seating in this guy. Now, the theater seating is really nice, and I'm going to show you how to use it. If this isn't your cup of tea and you'd rather have an extra little sleep area for the kiddos, you can option for the jackknife sofa in this unit. All right, this one just happens to have the theater seating. But what's really cool about this is because you don't have a true dinette, right? They give you these little eating trays to eat by. Now you can see that it's in the cup holder, but it still gives you the cup holder back. So if you're eating here, you can still have a drink holder, but it easily pops out too for your seat, and another drink holder is still there for you. Now, what's really cool is, yes, they're recliners, but look at this. So this guy comes down in the middle, gives you 2 more cup holders, has your USB chargers in the middle, really nice. And if you want to lay out with it, right, you can. You just got a pull cord recliner. This guy wall lays for you, lays on back, right across from the TV, which is a smart TV, by the way, guys. So if you want to watch those Hulu, that Netflix and all that, you have a TV for it, and you've got a nice theater seat to sit in while you watch it. Now let's check out the rest. So we're in the pass-through bathroom. Now, you may think pass-through bathroom, what that means, all it means is that you can pass from the living room through it to the bedroom. Now, some people like it, some people don't. I seem to really like this. You get a pocket door here and a pocket door behind me. You can see them on straps. So there's no door swing, so not taking up any room, which is really nice to have a lot more room in a bathroom. And you can see I'm a big guy. There's plenty of room in here. Toilet's placed pretty good for you. You can sit on it, you know, do your business. Right next to it, big shower. So plenty of shower space in there. They give you a skylight for you taller folks. It's all in there for you. Really nice. You know, get in there, do your business as far as shower goes. And then you get a really nice sink vanity. I like that it's placed towards the kitchen, you know, and that gives you a little bit more counter space. I really like that cabinet underneath. you know, really good bathroom. And then of course going in from the bathroom to the bedroom, you kind of get some controls. Now this top control is our solar controller. It's going to take that sunlight, charge our battery for us, and tell you everything it's doing. Of course, we have our gauges here as far as the black tank, gray tank. Now, you get two gray tanks on the 20.5. So you're going to have a designated gray tank for your kitchen sink and a designated gray for your sink and shower from your bathroom. And then, of course, you've got your black tank and your freshwater holding tanks. Now, look at this, guys. You've got heaters for all of those tanks. So, no boundaries really means no boundaries, guys. You're going to be able to take this in those cold climates and do your camping and keep your liquids warm as you can. So, that's a big deal. If you want to do that, Nobo sets you up for it. You're ready to go. And of course, you get your light switch over top, which is really nice to have light switches. Some campers don't give you those, and No Boundaries does. Now come on into the bedroom, guys. So one thing you're going to notice is that you get a true queen bed, right? This is a residential queen 60 by 80 bed for you. So you're not sacrificing length in this, the way the bed's set up. And I really like it because they give you two hanging wardrobes on both sides. You get a lot of lighting around the bed. You can see we've got lights in the cabinets right there, just turned on with a switch. Really nice hanging wardrobes on both sides. I really like a bedroom with windows, and that's something that this camper has. Is we have a window over the bed, we have a window beside the bed, and we have a window in front of the bed. So a lot of good natural light in your bedroom if you want it. You want to, you know, do a little stargazing out, you can lay in the bed and look out. It's really nice. And then don't forget, there's always storage under the bed. So if you don't have enough storage already, you get more storage underneath. You can see it has 4 pulled drawers in the front. You get a bigger box in the back for anything bigger that you want to take with you. And while we have this up, you can see there's outlets on both sides with USBs on both sides. So all of our phone charging, our tablet watching while we're in bed. Easy, convenient locations for those plugs and outlets to do all that too. So really, I think Nobo's kind of knocked it out of the park with this one. If you're a couple and you want a camper that you can travel the world in, the 20.5 is it, guys. Come get it. If you're interested in this brand new 2025 20.5 Nobo, then give us a call, shoot us a text, or visit us online at cookeville.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe, all right? We can't wait to make you part of the family, guys.